Good evening friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical Sem, our YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also please press the bell icon. Today is a weekly wrap of Nifty, right? We'll get into that. Now this is a day candle. You can see this is Reliance. You will discuss about Reliance in the end, okay? Because Reliance is in news, I thought we'll also have a discuss on Reliance, okay? This is a day candle of Nifty. You can see here, it is just like an W pattern, okay? It's not exactly just like in W pattern. You can see, as I told, this low has to be broken, okay? If this low was broken, it could have gone down, but it has not broken the low, so it's just sitting on the resistance. You can see here, 1 day, 2 day, third day, 3 days. Generally the third day, what will happen is it will, when it tests the resistance or support, it will break. It's most likely it will break tomorrow and it may go up, okay? So you can see here, this is the resistance, yesterday's high. Then what will happen? It will freely go up to 10,582. About 10,500 psychological mark it may touch. Before that, there is no much major resistance in 10,308. First target, second target is 10,544, third target is 10,738. Most likely to touch if it is bullish continuously, okay? Then we'll go to the other setup, our Fibonacci and super trend. You can see here again the same position, 61.8. the golden retracement value comes at 10,412. so most likely it may touch 10,412 and then it may face some resistance. If breaks that, easily it will go to 10,517 and 10,699, about 10,700 range. This we have to confirm in 1 hour chart, also through our options chain analysis. In 1 hour we can find some intermediate resistance, so it will be easy, okay, right? You can see there is, it's 1 2 3 here also sitting at the same resistance. So if it breaks, it will fill up this gap again. It will go to 10,263. So 10,250 is almost certain of achieving. Then it will reach 10,531. So 10,250 to 10,500 range is what we can expect this week Nifty to achieve if it goes up. In case it reverses, we have to wait for this low, this candle, this middle candle low. You can see 3 dojis have formed. You can see 3 dojis have. We have to wait because it has to break the 100-day moving average. Is sitting above 100-day moving average, because 100-day will be a strong resistance. It will be a strong support also. Then we will get 200-day moving average, which is somewhere here, okay? What is the value? Is around 10,600 as of now, okay? It has to break this low also, then only it will come to 9891. When 9891 breaks, it will come to 9589. All these things we have to check in day candle, 1 hour candle, and with the help of option chain. We will see what does the option chain suggest for Nifty. This is Reliance, this is FII data, okay? This option chain is Nifty option chain. You can see they are clearly there is wind up in the money contracts, okay? You can see here very clearly there is wind up in the money contracts. You can see that means it suggests that it's a bullish, market will move up. We can also see in put in the money there is an addition of 1,24,000 and 3,84,000, okay? Change in OI. So this suggests OI going down, premium going up. What is the meaning? OI going down, premium going up is short covering, okay? So there will be short covering. So all likely the Nifty will cross 10,200 and basically will touch 10,250. It crosses 10,250, all likely to touch the magical figure, psychological figure of 10,500. Okay friends, hope it is clear to you people. Now we'll go to check Bank Nifty. See what is happening in Bank Nifty, just crossing 55. It just closed again, it just closed above 55 EMA. When the first time it closed, it formed a doji. You can see here, when first time it closed above 55 EMA, it formed a doji. Now it's crossed with a full body. Okay, most likely the Nifty, Bank Nifty will follow Nifty, and it will, this also looks very bullish. It will go, first target will be 22,042. okay, clearly it will go. Some minor resistance you can see at 21,594, because the market has fallen from here. You can see here, from here and this candle both have fallen. Then it will touch this candle high. You can see that high is 21,966, around 21,900 change what Bank Nifty likely to touch. Okay, if it follows Nifty, Nifty is crossed 100-day moving average, just is sitting above, but Bank Nifty has not crossed 100-day moving average. If Bank Nifty follows Nifty, so there will be a huge covering, okay, huge bullishness in Bank Nifty if all the news are good. We don't know mortgage law, moratorium and other news are coming financially. If it is, that is also healthy, so it's likely to go up and catch up with Nifty. Nifty has crossed 100-day moving average, Bank Nifty has not yet crossed. So keep an eye on Bank Nifty. In 1 hour chart, what it is telling, see here, we'll, this immediate target is 21,495. okay, 21,495, because Bank Nifty fell from there, so there you can see some resistance at 21,500 change. 500, you can keep 21,500. If that is crossed, that is taken out convincingly, then it can reach up to 21,900 change. If 21,900 chain is taken out, you can see here 1, 2, 3. This is triple top. It is just like a triple top. If moves, it will go. As it fell down, it may move up also. Again, depends upon the market condition, news flow and Nifty. Okay friends, just a view. We may be right, we may not be right. We don't know. As per the condition, we have to take the decisions. Okay, this is Bank Nifty options chain. What does the Bank Nifty options chain suggest? Here there is no short covering as seen in the Nifty. Very less unwinding has happened. Okay, you can see here not much bullishness as per options chain. As per options chain, there is no much bullishness. Here also there is no much addition. So we will see as per tomorrow market opening, we may see some addition, because there was some issue with the NSE feed on Thursday and Friday in the morning session. So that way they might have not taken much risk in Bank Nifty. People might have not taken the position overnight. Okay, that I think by tomorrow morning it should get improved. Okay, as per option chain, it is not so clear. Okay, but Nifty it is clear. In Bank Nifty it is not so clear, because there is no build up. Okay, right now we'll go and check about the volume. What happened to the volume, Nifty volume? You can see here, this is Nifty. You can see it is above average, volume is very good. So this high is taken out. See here, this is, see here, 1, 2, third time it is testing this resistance, not resistance, the 10,156 range. So it breaks out, it will definitely go up. Okay, with, there is volume supported move. This move is a volume supported move, so it will go up. Now we'll check about Reliance, because everybody is speaking about Reliance. I thought we'll just check what is happening with Reliance. You can see this is a V-shaped recovery within 3 months from the low of 874 is gone up to 1617. Okay, you can see Reliance lifetime high it made on 5th June, that is on Friday. It has made 52 week high, sorry, 1618, low was 866. Now we'll check what option chain is saying about Reliance. So even in Reliance you can see there is in option chain it is showing clear short covering happening. Okay, clearly there is a short covering happening in Reliance as per the options data. Sorry, you can see here, and there is not much build up in put in the money. There, here it is there at 10,000 or sorry 16,000 there is a build up, 1,68,000 build up is there. Again in 10,580, 71,000 build up is there. So option chain is also looking bullish. Okay, option chain is also looking bullish. Short, it is at the important resistance point, but only thing is it has made a doji like calendar select candle as it made on 5th May, the same type candle at the same level it is standing. Okay, you can see here 1 2 3 4th time it is hitting this level. So most likely because of the good news it is more likely to be a, it will go up. Okay, it has to take this out convincingly. If it breaks, my guess is the psychological figure of 2000 it may touch if all goes well with Reliance. Okay, now we'll go to the FII data. On Friday 97 crores the net bought FII DII 47 crores. Now we'll go to our question and answer session. Okay, I had asked a question, right? This was the question last time I asked. Open interest down, premium down, it is long unwinding. Okay, now today's question of the day, open interest up, premium down, what is the answer? Okay, we will learn slowly one by one also. Okay, that's why I put 7-6 date here, because these all are option chain related. All the 4 quadrant I will put it up. See, when both are up, long build up. When both are down, long unwinding. When both are in the same direction, it is only long. Be clear. When one is up, one is down, okay, it is only related to short. What is that? Short covering or short build up? You just think and then answer. Okay, this is a hint, easiest way to learn I am giving you. When both are up, both are down, long. When one is up, one is down, in any way, in any sequence, it is only short. So think about that and then answer my question. Hope you people liked this video. Okay, please press the bell icon. Also please subscribe, share it with your friends and families in your WhatsApp group, in your social media group, such that our channel also grows with us. Okay friends, thank you very much. Jai Jawan, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you.